In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out with an Amazon gift card. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you can easily make your purchases using your Amazon gift card balance. First, begin by navigating to Amazon's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com. This is where you'll start your journey, and it's crucial to be logged into your account to manage your gift card. Once you're on the site, head over to the sign in option located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and a sign in page will appear. Enter your email address and hit continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password, so type it in and click sign in. Now you should be on your Amazon dashboard. This is your central hub for all Amazon activity, including your account settings and purchases. Next, locate the account and lists drop down menu, which is also accessible from the top right section. Once you find it, click on account. This will direct you to your account settings, where you can manage various preferences and tools. In your account settings, find and click on gift cards. This section is essential for managing all your gift card activities. To redeem a gift card, select the option labelled redeem a gift card. It's time to enter the gift card code, which is usually a unique series of letters and numbers found on the back of physical cards or in an email if it was sent electronically. Carefully type in the code to avoid any errors. Once the code is entered, you'll see an option to apply to balance. Clicking on this will add the gift card value to your Amazon account. With your balance ready, it's time to start shopping. Return to the Amazon store by clicking on the Amazon logo at the top of the page. Choose an item you wish to purchase and add it to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. With items in your cart, move forward by clicking Proceed to Checkout. Here, follow the prompts provided to complete your purchase. It's important to note that your available gift card balance will automatically apply to the total cost when you check out. If the total purchase amount happens to exceed your gift card balance, Amazon offers the flexibility to use additional payment methods. You can use a credit card, debit card, or another method to cover any remaining costs. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently check out on Amazon using your gift card. Keep these instructions in mind for convenient and seamless shopping on Amazon.